What's going on, gardeners? Joe here, back at Bountiful Gardens, Hillsboro. Well, it's official. Summer's here and the heat is on. These toasty months can push plants to their limit, making it one of the most crucial times to be planting smart. And proper species selection is the key to a healthy, thriving garden. Fortunately, there's a whole host of perennial plants that are at their happiest when the weather is at its hottest. And in this video, we'll be going through some of the best species that you can plant in this full summer sun. If you're a fan of hummingbirds, like I am, there are plenty of sun-loving perennials that you can plant to attract them to your landscape. Some of my favorites are Agastache, Liatris, Monarda, Kniphofia, Lavender and Salvia. Plants like these produce these tubular, colorful flowers that the hummingbirds are hunting for and are the perfect addition to any full sun garden. If you're going for a soft cottage garden vibe, perennials like catmint, yarrow, veronica, helenium, Russian sage, blanket flower, Shasta daisy, and sedum are all perfect choices for the sunniest part of your design. These plants provide the colors and textures you're looking for while offering excellent sun tolerance and drought resistance. If you've got a site that's both sunny and soggy, hardy hibiscus is a fantastic choice. It'll give you blooms bigger than your head, and it'll attract pollinators from far and wide. If you want to establish a lush colony of tropical blooms and foliage, daylilies are a gorgeous choice for sunny border swaths that will expand year after year. If you're looking for some taller wildflowers, you really need to look into all of the Rudbeckia and Coreopsis that we have. Some of these species can grow between 3 and 10 feet tall. Lastly, we need to mention one of the most well-rounded, sun-loving perennials for any sun garden, Echinacea. With so many heights, colors, and textures to choose from, you really have to see them all to believe them. While every plant I've mentioned today is sun and drought tolerant, it does require some care and regular watering to get them established and comfortable. If you're planting in summer, you have to make sure you keep a close eye on your plants and provide them with plenty of water in the first few months to establish healthy root growth. Lastly, always have some fresh soils and organic fertilizers on hand to offer crucial nutrients to your freshly planted garden to keep it looking its best. As always, thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content, and leave us a comment down below. Let us know which plants you'd like to see next. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.